welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle. I just wanted to pop on here and say hi to you guys and tell you a little bit about me first because my channel is new. I am a full-time working mom. I have 3 kids. I have a 23-year-old girl, 16-year-old boy, and 6.5-year-old little guy. I am from New York. My channel is going to be mostly anything cleaning related, some cooking, lifestyle. I hope that you guys like this video and give it a thumbs up, and I hope that you subscribe, hit that little red bell so you can be notified of upcoming videos, and also to become part of my little family. And let me know in the comments below what types of videos that you would like to see, and thank you guys so much for watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So tonight I am just going to show you guys my nightly routine on a weeknight, and basically it's just consists of coming home from work, picking up, straightening up the house, that's the same thing, starting to prepare dinner. Tonight we're going to do pork chops on the grill. Yes, we just got our grill up and running again, and we love grilling here, except the wife, unfortunately, gets to be the griller. So this summer, I already told my husband this is gonna be his turn. So let's see how this goes. So basically, you're going to see me straightening up a little bit of everything, getting ready, getting dinner ready, straightening up the kids' rooms. My little guy trains mixed martial arts, so he's there now. My big boy went to the gym. So it's just me in the house, all to myself, and I get to get a lot of things done, hopefully, let's see. And I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope it gives you tons of motivation. And here goes. So I'm going to start to make my seasoning, and what you're going to need here are these leaves. You can pretty much find them in any Spanish grocery store. You're going to need 1 medium green pepper, 1 medium onion, and 1 clove of garlic. Just chop it up. It doesn't matter how big it is because you're going to put it in the blender. Actually, a food processor would work better, but I don't have one, so I just use my blender. So here I am putting everything in the blender, and you also want to put about a tablespoon of olive oil. Just eyeball it. This way it blends together nicely. I really love this recipe. It makes the food taste so good, and it gives it so much flavor. And also it makes the house smell so good when you're cooking with it. So you can use whatever container you have on hand, but I like to use these jars. I just wash them out real good, and I put my seasoning in there. I put half in the freezer, and I put half in the back of the fridge so it stays nice and cold, and it can stay in there for about up to a week to a week and a half. So here I'm going to be preparing the rice in my rice cooker, which I love, and I'm going to be using brown rice, which is much healthier. And I'm going to just rinse the rice really, really well a few times. And then I'm going to add my seasonings. So I just bought some center cut pork chops. They're boneless. And I'm just going to go ahead and season them up with a little bit of barbecue sauce, garlic powder, adobo seasoning, salt, and pepper. And I got Mark to help me clean the grill, actually the grates on the grill. Then I'm just going to go ahead and put the pork chops on. They cook pretty quick. I think it's like 10 minutes per side. And I'm going to go ahead and go back in the house, change my shirt because I got barbecue sauce all over. So I just came in and checked the rice, and it's already done. That's what I love about the rice cooker. It's so quick and easy. So while the pork chops are still cooking on the grill, I'm going to go ahead and take care of my plants, my babies. Fun fact, maybe a corny fun fact, but I love plants so much. Just going to just feel the soil and see if they need to be watered. I usually do it every 3 days. I have a spray bottle and I just take like room temperature water because they don't like cold water. So I'm just going to spray the ones that need to be sprayed and water them a little bit. This one is an angel plant. I've had this for a few years already. It doesn't seem to grow though. Now I'm going to move over to my aloe plant. I've had this guy for like 4 months, and if you notice that I have a stick in there, it's because one of the leaves were like falling over, so I just kind of put that there to prop it up, and I'm just spraying it, and I'm going to give it a little bit of water. So this little guy is in the cactus family. I'm not sure of the exact name to it, but I'm just going to spray it a little bit. Then I have this cactus that Johnny got me last year at a Mother's Day plant sale in school.
I'm just good at caring too much.
Then I have this snake plant. These guys are so nice and they grow so fast. I have this one about a year, and I'm always sure to spray it and of course check the soil on it. But I even repotted it, so it's growing really nice. So here's a picture of the finished pork chops, and in the next clip I'm going to be showing you how I clean the bathroom, and it's going to be the next day. So this is what I'm using right now to clean the bathroom, but I always do use these typically for the house. I always buy, I really like the Target brand, guys. If you are in Target and you looking for Clorox wipes, they're comparable to the Clorox brand or Lysol. They're thick and I really like them, so I've been using these, and of course it's much cheaper. You always need a bleach spray. My Method Anti-Bac bamboo scent, I love, love, love. Soft scrub or any cream cleanser is really good, especially cleaning out the tub. I even squirt some around the toilet and take the brush and just, you know, brush it around. It cleans really nice. And then of course my favorite Method Glass and Surface Cleaner, which I love. So here I just have a sponge that I'm gonna cut in half, and it helps to clean the sink area, and then I use the other part of the sponge for whatever else that I need. I have these gloves. My husband actually bought about a month ago. He bought me, because he knows that I go through them so fast, he got me a whole case of them. So I think there was like 10 boxes in the case. So I use them, you know, for cooking and cleaning and everything else. So here I'm just gonna clean and spray the shower down first. As you can see, it needs it, it's dirty. And I like to use for the shower this dish wand sponge, and I put half vinegar and the other half Dawn dishwashing liquid, and it works really well to clean all the stains off the shower. I'm just going to spray a little bit of bleach. I normally don't like to use bleach, but sometimes the shower does need it when I start seeing a little bit of mold. So I'm using that now, and I'm just gonna clean all around. And I'm just going to use my handheld shower sprayer with hot water to rinse everything down really well. And after that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and clean the toilet, my favorite part, not. I'm going to go ahead and take the bleach spray and just spray at the base of the toilet. Let that soak in a little bit. Then I'm going to take the Method Anti-Bac and Bamboo scent, which I love, it's my favorite. I'm going to spray the toilet down. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a few wipes, and you start at the top and you work your way down. So now that I wiped the toilet down really well, I'm going to go ahead and use just a little drop of this Lysol Clean and Fresh in lavender and orchid scent. It smells really good. Then of course I'm going to go in with my Clorox toilet wand. I've been using this for a while and I really like it. I love the fact that it's disposable and it's really easy to use. And I'm going to go ahead and clean the inside of the toilet bowl really well. Then I'm just going to go ahead and after I get rid of this, I'm going to take a wipe and just wipe the handle. It's always good to do that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and use my Rubbermaid Reveal mop. It's easy to use and I've had this for a while and I really like it. I also have the old cedar spin mop, which I like too, but to do quick jobs, I find this is just easier than bringing the whole bucket out and filling it up. Finally, I'm going to go ahead and spray the shower down with the Method Daily Shower Cleaner. It smells really good and it seems to be working good. I use that like usually every other day, spray the shower walls down, and I like the way it worked. So here the bathroom is all clean. It's such a good feeling when the bathroom's clean. Who can agree with me on that one? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe so you don't miss any notifications of upcoming videos. And I do have some exciting new videos coming soon. Bye for now, guys.